Good morning, everyone. This is Diane Murray at Southern Art Gallery, and today we are painting these little, I don't know if these are daisies or exactly what they are, but I took this photo some time ago, and let me just show you. This is the photo. They're just absolutely beautiful. It's so blue and purple flowers are just so awesome to me. So anyway, we're painting this for our class, for our watercolor class that I'm teaching. So I thought I would let you follow along with me and watch how I do this. And then my students will have a reference to go back to. I'm probably going to edit this. So join me while we paint these beautiful flowers. First thing we're going to do is I've mixed up my blues. You can't see my palette. It's porcelain and it's on the side. It's quite heavy, so I can't show you what I've done here, unfortunately. However, the first wash is a combination of ultramarine and phthalo blue because we're using a limited palette here. So what I want to do first is just establish the a first coat on the petals. And I'm painting on a little watercolor board, which is what we use in our class. I find them very forgiving, so they're good for beginning students. Let's see, I got some darker color in there. We'll go ahead and drop that in. And I do mix up the paints ahead of time, so that I don't have to stop and make paints. And I have masked out the areas in the petals that are going to be slightly lighter and orange. But we will go ahead and do a light wash on the inside here as well. Just to establish the local color. I just pretty much want to get a coat of paint on everything so that we can see. And these all blend together, that's fine. Normally I wouldn't paint a petal right next to the other one, but since this is the under painting, it doesn't really matter. We'll go skip up here though. We'll paint around this little bud. I'm not going to go just inside this yet because this has a, well, we will, I guess we'll go ahead and do that. Cobalt blue there. I'm going to touch right up into that. Let that bleed together a little bit. I'm going to come in here with some real darks back here. We want to push that back. excess water. And this is really dark back up in here.